Sorry. Hi, this is Jamie. Can you use RCA cables to control Sonic Mania? Sometimes. The answer is sometimes. Now, you're probably thinking, what magic trickery am I using to do this? Well, it's a circuit board. It's down here. It's called the Mackie. And it has alligator clips that you can connect to anything that can conduct electricity. Bananas, oranges, spoons, and of course copper wires. Now the electricity will actually flow through the copper wires, and then you can touch the wire tips to control the game. Mind you, not very well, but control the game nonetheless. And the thing on my wrist, to make a complete circuit, the electricity passes through my body, which is obviously no risk to me. Possibly if you were plugged into something, so don't do that. But these cables are only plugged into the Mackie. I seem to be missing. I seem to be hitting multiple inputs here. So this is jump. Yellow's jump. Red is go the left. Right when it works is go back, but it doesn't seem to be hooked up at the moment. Can I do two at once? Yes, you can. Okay. So the one thing I mentioned, like, at one point I had the right. Now it's working. So it's a bit finicky. It doesn't always work. Obviously, this tin foil comes off really easily. In fact, I wouldn't even spend any money whatsoever on this project. The controls are horrible. It's very finicky to set up. The alligator's clips come off all the time. So luckily I didn't have to spend any money whatsoever on this, because my library had a copy that they let me borrow to play around with. And they had a demo set up today there. And in the demo, they were doing. No. I might have probably hit the spikes dead on. And in the demo, they were doing Mario, and I was like, no, it has to. Okay, by the way, it's supposed to be right for going left like the left channel on an RCA, and then right for going right. The other interesting thing is the manual doesn't say, like, if you use cables, like, you know, because, like, if I touch the cables down here, nothing happens because it doesn't conduct any electricity, but if I touch them here, it does. Kind of like how if you touch a cable and it's plugged into something, you hear, like, a buzzing sound. That's because your body is conducting electricity, just like the Mackie is doing a very, 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 very tiny amount of electricity. In fact, there's electricity in your body right now used to control your muscles, and I can't remember which control is which. My god, this is horrible. And it's difficult to film too. I can't find my tripod now. And the tripod I'm also borrowing from the library too. I think you can do double inputs. You have to tap both at once. No, come on, go the other way. Can I beat one level of Sonic Mania this way? Come on. Man, imagine what the special stages must be like. I think you have to use... Do you have to use the directions? Come on, get the sticky rings. Get the sticky rings. I mean, I'm bad enough at this game as it is, so... Okay, now they're not in camera, but... So you could program basically anything to be used with this. I was thinking floppy disks at one point, but I actually don't want to put alligator clips on my floppy disks because I actually have to use those. Back. Sonic Mania, you just told me, Tails, help me! Oh. Can I do that? For some reason, the inputs are getting mixed up and it keeps... Come on. Just jump. Just jump. Come on! No, I can't seem to get the inputs properly for Tails' assist. Okay, I'm kind of stuck here. I don't have anything mapped to the down key. If I did, then I could do a spin dash here. And man, this thing is finicky. Anyways, you get the point. It's Mackie. Can you play Sonic Mania with that? Can you control Sonic Mania with Mackie with just RCA cables? Yes. Is it good? No. I'll see you in the next video.